Hello guys, I'm V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I'm telling you a story, The Hot Bowl of Spicy Beans. Once upon a time, a village in a village in Africa, a boy named Amansi used to live. So the village was part of a spider clan, so they kind of have superpowers. Other than that, they're just normal people. So it was a very hot summer day. Amansi didn't have any work to do because anyone is not working out in the sun. So he felt very boring. He was unable to sleep in his bed and he didn't know what to do. Right then, he decided to go to his grandmother's house. He thought that his grandmother could give him some kind of work and also she will make him something special to eat. With these hopes, he went to his grandmother's home. So when he knocked at the door and said it was Amansi, she came and opened the door. His grandmother was not very surprised to see him. So he didn't care about that. He went in and asked, Grandma, please give me some work. I'm feeling very boring. So then the grandma said, Okay, I will make you a spicy bowl of beans. In order to make it, first we need beans. So go and take the beans from the agricultural land. So it was very hard to do it. Even though Amansi agreed and started doing it, he got very tired after working for some time. So he returned to the grandmother's house and asked for some water. The grandmother gave him some cool lemonade and water. He felt so refreshed by drinking it. He thanked his grandmother. So again his grandmother took the beans and started cooking them in a pot. So it was so hot. So the grandmother told Amansi not to eat it or touch it until she returns. She said that she is going to the market to get some spices. So Amansi said okay. So he felt asleep while drinking them. Later, he dreamt that he was eating a very delicious bowl of spicy beans. Then he woke up and he sensed the very delicious smell. So he went inside and took a spoon and ate some of it. It was very tasty. So he wanted to get more. But his grandmother knew if he eat up in the pot itself. So he took his cap and poured some of the spicy beans into it and started eating it. But just then he heard a knocking sound on the door. So there were two friends of the grandma who came to the house for lunch. So they were very hungry, so they asked to open the door. Amansi didn't know what to do. So he wore that cap containing the hot spicy beans and opened the door. So because of the hot heat of the spicy beans, it burnt all his head up to his neck. So they both sensed the delicious smell and asked what is it. So then Amansi was unable to sustain the heat. So he removed his cap and thrown it and escaped. So because of the heat of the spicy worms, all his hair got destroyed and he was bald. He was very ashamed and he went out of the window and hid in a cave. Ever since, he never left the cave. So that's it for today, guys.